Welcome to SUNY Polytechnic Institute in Utica, New York for the 2023 U.S. Drone Soccer National Championship.
It has been growing rapidly here in New York State. We've been working with multiple school districts around the state to help their teachers get more comfortable with the technology and help them grow their programs in their schools.
You know, just this past month we had 25 teams participate in regional championships in Alabama, California, Colorado, and New York State. We have more than 100 organizations getting started in this new flying team sport.
So today each student will bring a drone, a remote, a toolkit so they can do repairs in between sets, and the team will bring a computer so they can do adjustments to their Betaflight settings. So the game is played 5-on-5. Each team has 5 active pilots. One of them is going to be the striker. His goal is to go through the goal on the opposite side of the arena. The rest of the team, the 4 teams, are usually the defenders. They will hang out on their own area of the arena, try to prevent the striker from the opposite team from scoring points.
Today, 12 teams joined in this double elimination tournament to find our national rankings for this season, and they're really building the foundation for moving into a full season that we're expecting next year. Our mission is to make aerospace education accessible, and that includes students who maybe don't get a chance to interact with this technology. Maybe they come from underserved communities, they're on the spectrum, they've never been able to be in a team sport before. So yes, they're learning a high-paying skill set, but they're also learning the leadership and communication that they may not otherwise get, and it really brings out the best in them.
So I've been working with the students that just got to get started, and the benefits that I've seen is astronomical. Already these kids want to be engineers. They want to start getting more, learn about their craft, and also get their Part 107 drone license.
We especially want to make these paths visible to our girls and our underserved communities who don't ever get to interact with professional pilots and engineers, so that they can see that this is a path that's open to them. We want to give them the vocabulary and the confidence to be successful. And this is our first year of a national program, but we want to prove that we have those paths open. We're talking with national flight schools, we're talking with national drone delivery companies about hiring these students right away. It's not enough to inspire them, we have to empower them with the tools and resources to walk straight through that door.